What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the BioAdvanced. This is a weed and feed. I got it from Walmart. So this year, well, I was kind of in a rush the past couple years because we just had too much going on in the yard. We had trees, we had weed, we had insects destroying the soil. So now everything is pretty calm. So I am going to go about this the right way. The rule of thumb in the lawn world, the lawn care world, springtime is the time where you control the weeds, and the fall time is the time where you overseed. I was going backwards, and it's not really going backwards. I kind of wanted to build up the lawn more. I did control the weeds when we first moved here. It was weed infested. But the crabgrass last year was just madness, especially in the backyard. The front yard is okay. I'll show y'all the trouble spots in the front yard of where I got weeds. So I put this down about 5 days ago, and the weeds are turning brown a little bit. So I don't know how long this is going to actively take for them to really turn brown. Rule of thumb, here's something that you need to know, and I made a rookie mistake. I know this. When you plant new seeds down, you cannot put weed killer down. You cannot. You will kill your new grass. So just in case you didn't know, now you know. All right, so I got this from Walmart. It's a 5-in-1 weed and feed. It kills tough weeds, prevent new weeds, kills large crabgrass. That is the killer for me. All right, these, they come up, but not that much. This is my problem, is the crabgrass. Now we have here is prevent the new crabgrass. So this is a pre-emergent. So it stops the new weeds from coming up, and it says feed, so it greens up for 3 months. And on the back is basically the blah 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 stuff. We can go over that another time, but I just wanted to show y'all this product. Okay, another thing I want to note to y'all, you see how it says it covers 4,000 square foot? This number is basically going off of your spreader number. So the higher your spreader number is the more you disperse out to your lawn, which give you the more or less will give you less coverage when you have the number higher. Now if you have your number on a lower setting, you'll get the maximum amount of coverage. Just in case you don't know nothing about the settings back here, that's just give you some knowledge on that. On this, it says here for best result, it says apply to dew wetted lawns. I guess the best time for you to apply this will probably be in the morning time when all the dew, or while your grass is damp from the early morning. So this will be the best time to put this stuff on. It's when your grass is wet, so the chemicals on this will adhere to the weeds. Right now I just want to show y'all most of the product. Okay, you guys, so these weeds right here, they are turning brown, and this was on 5 days ago. Weeds right here, they're turning brown. And this is the area where I made a mistake. This is the area where I did the video where I put the new grass seed I was testing. This is the area that I put it in. And obviously I killed all the grass when I put that specticide in it, and I regret it now. But we can do that over again. So fall time, I will be doing the overseeding project. I will be doing the leveling project soon, because I need to get some of these humps and lumps out. But I just wanted to show y'all that it's turning brown. So it works about 5 days as long as you do it right. So make sure you put it on a damp lawn. Damp lawn. or water your grass. When you water your grass, then go ahead and put the weed and feed or whatever weed preventer that you got out there. All right, you guys, so real quick, it's been about maybe like a week and a half, and when I used that 5-in-1, it looks like it did some damage. So you can see a little bit of dead stuff there, but it still looked like stuff is still alive here. So I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough dosing on it. I put the settings on 2.5, but one thing I can say is the fertilizer is working perfectly. Okay, you guys, so real quick, I used that 5-in-1 and it turned some of them brown, but you can still see that it didn't kill all of them. Now, that's just with one application of this stuff. So you see that? That stuff is dying out. That is 2 applications of it in this area right here. So we are definitely going to control the weeds this year. This year we are controlling weeds. Crabgrass is not allowed.